here we go. We're going to see how we can install Windows 11 first preview. So I'm just going to go through the installation process. Hopefully that will make sense and you can just follow the exact same thing. So click next. I really didn't really care about the locations because I'm just testing on my own. Click next to install. So it's just starting up the setup. Since it's a trial one, so I don't have the key, so I'm just going to skip this one. So I'll click on I don't have product key. So that's going to run on a trial basis now. So let's click next. So click I don't have product key. Accept the Microsoft terms and conditions. So you can just scroll down and you can read the Microsoft terms and conditions. Once you read the complete terms and conditions, you can just click here and just click go next. Here we have two options. You can upgrade or you can do install like as a custom install where you can go create partitions and you can do it. So since it's a fresh virtual machine, so I'm just going to click on install a custom installation. If you have already an existing operating system that you don't want to format it, you can go click upgrade here. So I'm just going to click custom. I got a 60 GB partition, so you can create a new partition. Even if you don't create it, the system while you install that will create the partition drive. So I'm just going to click create new, apply. So it's creating a new hard drive, and you can see that we have created 3 partitions. Of course, you know, like there are MBR and GPT partition types. MBR can go up to 4 primary partitions maximum, whereas in GPT you can go create up to 128. And the limitation is maximum 2 terabytes in MBR, whereas in GPT you can go up to 18 a billion terabytes or something like that's massive big, and of course that's provide more security. But anyway, we have just created 3 partitions and I'm going to install the operating system here in the disk 0 partition 3. So click next. It's just copying the files. It's quite fast. So the file's been copied, just the installation file. So now the file is getting ready for the installation. This might take some time. It used to be in Microsoft Windows 10, that used to be around 10 to 15 minutes to install the operating system. Hopefully Windows 11 will take almost similar. Let's have a look. Let's wait and see how long it will take to complete the installation. So I'm just going to let that to run, and I'm not going to talk. But anyway, if you see, like Windows 11 is almost quite similar to Apple Mac operating system. So they're trying to bring out the same interface or look and feel that you have it in Mac operating system. So I believe people will like it, and this is going to be completely a different experience. There are a lot of new changes as well. There are a lot of new added. App Store is completely redesigned. New widgets being uploaded or added, and also you can see the settings has completely changed. So we'll go have a look once we complete the installation on the next video. So here we're just going to only see how we can install and test Windows 11 preview. So this is just only for the installation and testing purpose only. So let's see how it goes. So yep, installing features and it's all done. Now it's moving to installing the updates. This wouldn't take time. Hopefully this is going to go quickly. So you can see below it's quite fast. Yeah, there you go. It's pretty much it's done. Restart. Just going to restart here, and that's getting up. All right. So we have got Windows 11 operating system. The installation is done. Of course, you have to go and create the account, which is user accounts and stuff. So that's going to be the next task. Let's see what's happening, how long it's going to take this one, and then move to the next level. So yeah, it's quite fast. Didn't expect that this fast, but yeah. So still it's getting ready. Let's see. It's gonna take hopefully it's taking some time. Of course, I'm running on a SSD hard drive. Um, this should be faster, and I've got a Windows uh, 10 base operating system running on an SSD hard drive, and yeah, there you go. It's ready. It looks like it's moved to the next screen now. Uh, Mine got 16 GB, oh sorry, 32 GB memory, and SSD hard drive, i7 11th generation CPU processor. Yeah, so definitely that's faster. Just a moment. Things happening in the background, creating the profiles or setting up the files and stuff. So it's all running up there. So once it's done, we will go to the screen where we can just go on and do. There you go. That's the first screen. We can see. Well, let's see how it's going to be. All right. So that's going to ask us to select the region. So looks like. Oh, okay, right, there you go. So I need to go pick Australia. Let's see if I can hit A in keyboard. No, it didn't work. So I'm just going to go through one after the other. Or let me quickly scroll up to go find the country. Australiau. Right, there you go. Selected. So the keyboard layout, you can just leave it as it is. US is the common keyboard selection in most of the places, but if you wish that, if you wanted to change to Australia or anything, that you can change it based on your preference, but I'll leave it as US. Want to know, I know, so I'm just going to skip this part. Yeah, checking for Windows updates. Of course, we can see some other options here, on-screen keyboard and assistant, and of course audio system, audio setups. Let's see. Of course, it's connected to internet. There you go. Let's name your PC. So Win 11. Next, more than 15 characters, no space. There you go. So I'm just going to have Win 11 PC. Next. Oh, yep. All right. Let's all done. Pretty much, it's all done. So it's moving on. Setting up the profile and computer names and stuff that we have just given. It's coming back to another setup screen. Let's have a look. What is it now? I'm pretty sure that it hasn't, we haven't been asked to provide a username or password for this computer. So set up for my personal use. So if in case if you have got this computer to attach to your domain environment, you can of course always go and say to work for a work or school. But if that's the personal, you can click personal, click next. This is pretty common thing in Windows 10 as well. Here we go. Sign in option. We don't, the problem here, it's going to ask you to create the account, but I don't want to go create the Microsoft account. I'm just going to create a local offline account. So this is a good option. Back in Windows 10, you got to remove your Ethernet connection to go back and create a local profile, but here they have added the sign in option. This is a good idea. So sign in with keys, offline account, so which means like you don't need to create Microsoft account. Click offline, right? One of the account, or one account for all the Microsoft, blah blah. What is Microsoft? Skip now. Sign in with don't sign in with Microsoft account. Next. There you go. Enter your name. So you just provide your name, enter a password. Right, next, re-enter. Right, oops. Yep, it's gonna ask you question, security question 1, 2, 3. What's your first pet name? I'm just going to say A. Next. What's here? I'm going to say B. Um, I'm going to say C. This is for testing. I don't really. In real world, you have to provide, that is really going to help you to reset your passwords if in case if you don't remember your password. This is what you must definitely do. So just ignore what I've done, but in your case you have to do it in the proper way. Accept it. So we have given, and it's checking for the updates. You can see it's the updates. It's checking for the updates. There you go. Hi, we are ready. Things are getting ready for you. So getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So this is where it's completely creating a user profile. So that the profile that I've created, which is the username, so it's going to create the desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, and all those account folders and files and folders for you. So make sure that you should not restart or shut down while we do this task. So this is pretty important stage. So let's see how you go. You can see that's got a completely new graphics behind there. So that's the screen saver, or sort of like a background image. Like looks nice because back in Windows 10 this was just like the sliding picture. So here it's sort of an animated video. So that's sort of interesting. So when you just sit and wait, you can really just focus your time. So rather than just get bored here. Yeah, keep your PC plug on. It's just some messages to make sure that you are patiently waiting. Yeah, they're just getting ready there. Wow, done. Windows 11 is here. So this, you can see the start menu has changed, right? That's a good thing. All right, okay. So here it's the start. So that's the start menu pretty much. So folders, you can see they have renamed. They have got a new images for those folders. I can see new images here. What else we can see? What other changes? Of course, we'll go ahead and have a look in another video, the new features in Windows 11. But just before we go close the video, just wanted to have a look. Yep, Microsoft Store. It might take some time to load. Yep, now we can see it's quite, for me, it looks like what you see in tablet view is quite similar to this. What's that? Oh, there you go, the widgets. We can add some widgets. You can go configure your widgets, and of course you can do things like here. Yeah, pretty much. Yep, that's how Windows 11 looks and feel. There's the network settings, right? All right, that's all for the time being. I'm just going to shut down this. Here we go, the shutdown button. So let's go shut down.